Hey everyone, Jason Job here, author of the cookbook Overland Cookery. Today we're going to be doing a awesome seared salmon with a super crispy skin, curry smashed potatoes, and a spicy mint chimichurri sauce. Showing you a couple things that you can find in the Overland Cookery cookbook. It's now available on the website. Chimichurri is a South American-based herb sauce. I love it because you can put pretty much anything in here and it's going to be good. So this is absolutely a meal that you can do when you're overlanding. I would not be afraid of it. I'm just gonna coarsely chop this. It doesn't need to be super fine. I love using shallots when we're overlanding. They can double as onion or garlic depending on the recipe, and they have a lot of flavor, and they don't get nearly as sticky and difficult to work with as garlic. I think anyone who's worked with garlic knows it can just turn into a sticky mess on the cutting board. We're using a serrano here today because it gives you that heat that a jalapeno would bring, but it has a little bit of a cleaner flavor. Jalapenos have a very strong jalapeno note, which you don't always want when you're cooking. Extra virgin olive oil, a healthy amount, and white balsamic. So we're using some fresh pomegranate seeds. This will give us a nice color, but also really good texture and flavor. Yeah, you want to press it down when the salmon first goes on, or it can curl up. The residual heat that's captured in that cast iron is going to keep cooking the salmon skin and make it really nice and crispy as the fat renders out. As I'm cooking with this, I'm reminded of how much I love cooking in the outdoors. And I see a lot of value with the hitch fire here. First off, we don't have to take up storage room in the back of our vehicle for it. And if you're anything like us, we're always strapped for storage. And it also cooks much like a grill that you have at home. So it makes it even easier to get outdoors, enjoy yourself, enjoy good food with friends and family, which is really what it's all about. So the potatoes are on. We smashed them down on one side, flipped them after we got a crust going, and I use curry powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit extra virgin olive oil. That's all we need. Just let them crisp up and it'll be good to go. Great, and there we go. Seared, crispy skinned salmon with curry smashed potatoes and a nice minty pomegranate chimichurri. Let's see how this is. Oh yeah. That bright chimichurri. All right, and before I forget, feel free to check our cookbook out on Hitchfire's website. And the first half is all practical knowledge that you need to cook really good food in the outdoors. And the second half is going to be more of your traditional cookbook. However, all the recipes are based off perishability. So you know what foods and recipes you can cook when without having food waste and opening up more creative recipe development. You can go ahead and follow us at Overland Cookery on Instagram or our website at overlandcookery.com. And there will be a full printed blog post of this recipe on Hitchfire's website. Thanks.